Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are here with my 97 Nissan Hardbody Lowrider mini truck build. And if you've been following along, as you can see, we chopped the top on this thing. We used the 80s Radical hardtop kit, and it is now a hardtop convertible. I've been having so much fun driving around like this. Still got a silicone a couple parts, epoxy a couple parts, but I'm just having way too much fun driving it. I can't put it down. Thankfully, I think it's a little over 35 degrees today. It's probably about 40 now. The sun definitely helps. And if you've been really watching, you'll know that we are on our winter wheels. So what I got going on today is we just got some new white walls that are gonna go on our wire wheels, and I cannot wait to get those installed. So it's gonna be pretty sick. This truck is just going to look absolutely beautiful on the wire wheels with the chopped roof. Cannot wait. Right now I got the roof just kind of lightly placed in there. I was hoping I could have fit all the wheels and tires in here with the roof off. We'll see. I'm just so eager to drive it with no roof. But we're gonna hop in the truck now. We're gonna bring the wheels and tires over to get mounted. We're gonna go check out Motorland, and at some point today, get the wire wheels back on the truck. It's gonna be so sick. So join us for today's vlog style video. Let's get into it. Now that is the intuition that I like to see. Got everything packed in there, roofs off the truck, wire wheels in the back. I'm so excited to get these mounted. Oh, I was just gonna tell you guys, I almost lied. I was just gonna tell you, I got all the stickers peeled off, and I forgot one, of course. Look at that, all the plastic's off. And now we're gonna go get our wire wheel adapters set up for when I get home. And that way we can make quick work of changing these out, because man, am I excited. All right, guys, we're over at Motorland now, and I don't know where all the cars went. They're probably all put inside because of winter. We'll walk around and show you guys what cars we can. Over here, this must be some customer's Benz. It's still got plates on it. Pretty sick, though. It's got some red interior, some nice red stripes going down the side of it. I love that the headlights literally have their own little wipers. I mean, Mercedes is just all about the full luxury. Big car. We're gonna see what else is over here. Looks over here like we got some sort of Oldsmobile. I don't know if it's a Delta or like one of the 88. It may be. Yeah, that looks like a Delta grill. Let's find out. It's a 98. Ooh, okay. I'm actually not familiar. LS luxury sedan. That is pretty sick, actually. I've never seen a 98. I didn't know those were the thing. I thought it was just the 88 series. Pretty cool little car. It's interesting too. It's just got the vinyl top just in the rear there. It is a two-door. That is a big door, boys. That's cool. Little automatic. Literal couch inside of there though. On some I don't know if they're steelies with like wire spoked like covers. Definitely where you fill the fuel tank, you just kind of fold that down. Just like the Monte Carlos, all the G bodies back in the day had that same thing. Right over here, it's a 1966 Chrysler 300. Always liked the 300 series. They were big cars. 300 in the emblem, the red, white, and blue. It's the same thing down there. It's the same way you fuel up the car. I like that it's got these little fender skirts in the rear here. Oh, and check out that hubcap. That is actually really cool. A little spinner with a 300 in the inside. I don't know for sure if they made these as a four-door. But again, it is a two-door. Lots of interesting trim though. You know, it's just cool. They were styling cars so different back then. We got quad headlights up front. Figured this is a fun thing to do. I always like coming here and seeing what they got. Look at the lines too. I mean, you got to think of how hard it is to keep a car this long, this straight. I like that though. I think these may be blinker indicators telling you your blinkers on. This is pretty sweet though. Little smoker windows, the side windows that fold in. I like that. That is a sweet little car. I would drive that. We got a nice little Mercedes over here. I mean, we're gonna make the best of it. You know, kind of makes up for no car shows. Another cool little Benz. What is it? 2.3 190E. That is sick though. Not a bad little price too for this kind of car. You know, just something if it's clean and fun and reliable. Not too bad. It's a 2.3 inline 4 little auto. Yeah, not bad. I'm really liking that Benz though. That one was cool. Big body Benz. Pretty sick. This is really sick. Couldn't not take a video of this. Color match front bumper. I'm gonna guess somewhere around the 67, 68. I want to say it's a little earlier year. C10. That is pretty cool though. Red interior, red exterior. It's like a nice cherry metallic out here. I like the wheels. Those look really nice. They look brand new. Ooh, color matched rear bumper too. Nice. That is awesome. These usually, yeah, right here, these have the fuel tank literally right behind the seat in the cab. So that's a pretty cool concept too that you don't see too often anymore. So right over here is an Oldsmobile 442, just chilling outside. I don't know if this is something they may have just fresh picked up or a customer's car. They do a little bit of everything over here. But black and red interior, I like that actually. Center shift for the automatic, right in the center console. And obviously it's a convertible too. That's kind of sick to see. Again, another one with the fuel tank right in that back door. Just love to see stuff like that. The quad taillights too is very interesting. I'm sure 2 are your brake lights and 2 are your blinkers. But man, I guess there's not a crazy amount of stuff out here today. Guess we'll have to come back a little closer to spring and see what else I got. What's up, guys? We're back from our adventure over to Motorland, and the stock wheels will be no more for this year because we got the white walls. Well, we're gonna call them blue walls until we clean that up, but super hyped to get these on the truck. We're going to lift it up, crack all the lug nuts, and get these wheels off, and I'll see you guys once I do that. The white adapters go on the driver's side, the red adapters go on the passenger side. Gonna pop these wheels off, dude. I'm so excited to see these on there again. So I didn't care if some overspray paint got on these hubs. It really didn't matter, but I just wanted to paint up my drum. Now I'm gonna clean up the old grease off this this adapter, and we're gonna just kind of put a nice thin layer of new grease. That way our spinner can come on and off. And we're gonna take this wheel and throw it up there after I torque down these lug nuts. I mean, it's a real simple process, and then we'll do the same thing at the front. Man, I just love the difference in the little detail that goes into these. Once the white walls are cleaned up, it'll look so good. But gotten the rears on, just torqued down our plate. Now we're gonna tighten this by hand, put it on the ground. And usually if you're an OG, you got a lead hammer, but I actually have a little tool that just kind of grabs the spinner and tightens it. So one thing I always have a hard time with is it's hard to have someone sit in the truck and hold the brake pedal, because I'm not using jack stands right now because I'm just changing my wheels. But you always should. Anyway, I'm going to take basically a screwdriver, put it in one of these holes back here, and now I can torque my wheels to spec. All right, let's get at it. This stuff is called Black Magic. I haven't used it before. Well, as you can tell. Oh, nice. All over the wheel. That's okay. All right, we're going to spray it all over this blue. See if it cleans it up real nice. And then we wipe it off with a wet cloth, I guess. You're gonna want to wear gloves because it's bleach. And then we'll come back. This is the best one to try it on because this is just straight blue. I don't know if it matters if it gets on the black. We'll find out the hard way. I doubt it. And then we'll do all 4 wheels and tires. So obviously it doesn't look like anything too crazy. Once those white walls come into it, it's gonna look beautiful. But the truck is dirty, so kind of takes away from it. See, this one's coming white. That one's staying a little blue for me, but it's okay. I'll just keep scrubbing them down, even if I got to come back the next day or whatever. Stuff is just really on these tires. But check this out. We are on wire wheels again. This is so exciting. So, I don't know. Small video today. Nothing too crazy. But y'all got to see the truck on the wire wheels. And pretty excited about that, honestly. So one little extra clip that makes my truck look a little less ratty. This bumper's completely done, so I'm not even worried about cleaning it. But did find another little plastic clip, so I'm gonna kind of push that in there and set this in place, and at least it'll look complete. And check that out. Gave it a good little stomp, and it's right in place. Another odd little thing that doesn't really matter, but when I bought that white truck, he had a set of wipers in there, and I had to get wipers. I just keep putting it off for no reason. And so that's the same thing. That's pretty sick because just free wipers. Well, that makes me pretty happy. We got some new wipers on there. They were the same size and everything, so I'm pretty happy about that, to be honest. White walls are cleaning up just a little bit better. I think they're gonna have a blue tint for a little while. Maybe I gotta keep coming out here and spraying just a little bit more of that stuff on there, but they're coming in, so it's starting to look pretty good. Well, in all fun, we're working on the truck, and been a little while since I've seen James's car. What up? It's still cold. There it goes. But and check that out. We've gotten the truck out here now. Good little day for a quick little cruise this morning. All cleaned up. Idle sounds terrible, but that's okay. But I guess I'm going to call that a video, boys. Thank y'all so much for checking out today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just kind of chilling, easy winter content. I'll see y'all soon. Peace out.